Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others.
Built into the vehicle?
No.
So it slid in?
Slide out, yes.
From right here?
No.
Or the front?
Front.
Okay. Nice. Did you build this?
Actually, that gentleman Matt built it.
He did, okay.
Yes.
Very nice.
It's 2 salt 6s, wired half ohm on 2 9918s.
Okay.
There's another lithium bank underneath the box.
Hidden. Oh,
Yeah,
wow. Okay.
It's 280 amp hours total of
Yes,
lithium
sir.
in this thing.
Wow.
The 4-channel and the 3K are on that side.
Okay.
Yeah, a little buried.
Yeah.
But there's
There you
the
go.
3K. There's
Yes,
the
sir.
There's the little 4-channel.
All right. And these are at 1 ohm each or half ohm? Okay. Ooh, that's some power.
2 DD99 12s.
Oh man, I'm looking forward to this. All right.
It's got box noise.
Is it you got to shut the trunk or does it not matter?
Don't matter.
Okay.
Here, we're gonna throw this up here.
That's why they call me.
9908 12s?
Yeah, 98.
Wow.
The box is built at 5.3, shrunk down to 5.12.
So was there a reason for the second extra baffle? Was it the sub change or
Yeah.
Okay.
So the Sundowns are 11.1. The DDs are 12.2.
Okay.
Cutouts.
Yeah, it's just that little extra tenth.
More than a little extra.
Oh, more than
an inch.
For the same
Sundowns
12
are
size?
11. Sundown cutout
Really?
is 11.01.
Oh, okay, got it. Yeah.
DDs are 12.2.
Dang, that's a big jump.
Yeah, there is a big difference.
And you're able to put your seats back if you wanted
Yes. Yeah, they
to.
will.
So these could go up if you wanted. Okay.
So I can put people in the back seats.
Awesome, man.
Yeah.
I really
My
appreciate
kids
you
just
telling
don't
me.
like this.
Oh yeah. So how is it handling the bass on the?
Come and see what I did to the roof.
Okay.
I think we're gonna be surprised.
Not really.
Oh.
Not wood.
Came out?
Not wood concrete or
No.
resin?
Def Bounce double rigid.
Yeah.
Really?
2 layers of it.
Okay. So this don't really move. Yeah.
To here, there's foam in this pillar.
Yes, sir.
This is deadened. A pillar's not deadened. Trunk is completely deadened.
I wired up
Okay.
to 1.3 and I strapped
That's why I wasn't moving that much.
Which is a good thing. Yeah, you keep the pressure in.
Oh, yeah. Even better. It does a
53 at what?
32.
32. Okay.
On a burp.
Yes, sir.
A demo Dominator average is around a 50 and 29, as well as Eliminator
Wow.
does
I'm sorry, go ahead.
something as 29.
Yes, sir. That's pretty good, man.
Yeah, it's
Now that I have it strapped.
Yeah, really good.
Yeah, that one was actually built by Toolmaker.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's certified.
So you're able to reverse it if you ever wanted to?
Yeah, actually, what I can literally do is just unplug here and rewire it, because I'm straight to each. One coil goes to each thing.
Got it.
So if I want to change it up to like the D1s, if I want to wire up, it's a simple change back here. If I want to wire down, again,
Yes, sir.
simple change.
What? Made it work. Looks
You
good.
want wind or you want some pain?
Both. One of each.
All right, we can do that. We can definitely do that.
Yeah, I'd love to hear both if that's okay.
It's got box noise, so but it does play.
All right. Yeah, man, I'd love to hear it.
I'm gonna fast forward this because you know Panda's.
Yeah, the box is tearing up from the base, probably all the flex. Yeah.
It's got too much pressure inside this box.
It's not the subs, that's the box. Yeah.
No, that's
I like
definitely
it,
the
man.
box.
Nice.
All right, I'm gonna give you something that it stinks, but I don't really care.
He spent his whole life trying to forget.
song does not.
It doesn't.
No, Clip City's Whiskey Lullaby.
Oh, it
this
clips a
song
lot?
hates It hates it.
Yeah.
It absolutely gives it freaking hell.
Yes, sir. Wow. Nice to meet you, man.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, man. Nice.